Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Storyline and choosing the slide deck you'll use. This saves time and keeps assets organized. Once done, pick the quiz type, graded for scoring, survey for feedback, because that determines question behavior and reporting. Make sure to configure player settings and set scoring/reporting options up front. Doing this early prevents rework and ensures question feedback and tracking works smoothly when you add layers and triggers. Now add question slides using the Insert New Slide quizzing options and choose formats that match your assessment goals. You'll customize feedback layers and shuffle answer choices to reduce memorization. Do this because it improves validity. Use triggers and variables to create branching or adaptive paths and set slide timers if pacing matters. Make sure answer keys and point values are accurate so reporting reflects true performance once learners submit. Finish by previewing the entire module and running through every question to confirm scoring, feedback layers, and branch logic operate as intended. Publish using SCORM or XAPI, upload to your LMS, and verify completion and score reporting. If something goes wrong, retrace steps. Check trigger order, make sure variables are correct types, and confirm each question's correct answer and point settings. These are the most common causes of broken scoring.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.